Hi students, how are you all? I hope everyone doing well. So in this video we are going to learn about listening and speaking. That is also one of the story what we have in our first unit. That is attitude is everything. Attitude is everything. So already we discussed about attitude well, because attitude only makes and decides our future. So because depending upon our attitude, are we going to become successful or not? It decides. So that is the importance of attitude. So I requested many times we have to maintain good attitude. So we should show and we should express only positive vibrations towards anybody. So that is good for us. And now we are going to discuss about the story what we have in page number 209. 209. Okay, can I continue the story? Okay, so I am going to read. So please look at your books very carefully. There was a farmer in Africa who was happy and content. He was happy because he was content. He was content because he was happy. Basically, there was a farmer in Africa. He was very happy because he was content. He was content because he was happy. So, of course, if we are good in knowledge, good in our subject, definitely we will be happy with that. Otherwise, if we are a very normal or a poor student in education, we always get some fear because we don't have a content. That's why we are getting fear. But if we have a content, definitely we don't get any fear. So, because this farmer who is living in Africa has content, because of that he was happy. So he was happy because of his content. Okay. One day, a wise man came to him and told him about the glory of diamonds and the power that goes along with them. One day, he is leading a very happy life because he was content and happy. But unfortunately, what happened in his life one day, a wise man came to him and he explained, he told to the farmer about the glory of diamonds and how the power goes along with them. So he explained everything to the farmer who is living in Africa with full of content and happy life. But after listened that glory of diamonds, what happened to the farmer? Let us see here now. Okay, let us see here now. The wise man said, if you had a diamond the size of your thumb, you could have your own country, own city. So how the wise man expressing his idea about the glory of diamonds to the farmer? Dear farmer, if you have a diamond, if you had a diamond the size of your thumb, definitely you can have your own city. You can have your own city. And next, if you had a diamond the size of your fist means it is we call fist. But dear farmer, if you had a diamond the size of your fist, you can probably your own country. So if you had a diamond the size of your thumb, you can have your own city. But if you had a diamond the size of your fist, you can have your own country. And then he went away. So the wise man said these words to the farmer, and then immediately he left from there. So he went away. Then that night the farmer couldn't sleep. So after listening the wise man's words about the glory of diamonds and how the power comes and goes along with the diamonds, so that night the farmer couldn't sleep because he's always thinking about them. Because of this, he tried to sleep but he couldn't. He tried to sleep but he couldn't because he's always thinking about the glory of diamonds. So if I had a diamond, definitely I can make the size of my thumb, I can make my own city. If I had a diamond the size of my fist, I can have my own country. So why don't I have a diamond? So because of these all ideas running in his mind, he couldn't sleep that night because he's only thinking about the glory of diamonds. Okay students, see, basically he was, beginning of the story, he was happy because of his content. He was content because of he is happy. But now he disturbed with the wise man words. See, dear students, as a human being we can expect more, that is not a problem. But is that possible for us? So if we are in a difficult situation, if we expect something more to solve that problems is not problem. But if you are in a safe zone, you are leading a happy life. Otherwise, if you are able to expect more, that time only you create your own problems to face. Okay, so what will happen after that night? Let us see here. He was unhappy and he was discontent, of course, because first he was content, that's why he was happy. He was happy because he was content, but now he was discontent, that's why he was unhappy. He was unhappy because he was discontent. He was unhappy because he was discontent, and discontent because he was unhappy. Already I said you. Okay, the next morning he made arrangements to sell off his farm, to care of his family, and went in search of diamonds. So after that night, in the morning, what he decided, he wants to sell his farm to someone because he wants to afford his family. So that's why he wants to sell his farm and collect some money, and he wants to give that money for their family, his family to survive without his absence. Without his absence. Okay. Next, he looked all over Africa and couldn't find any. And after he did all these works, selling, farming, and giving money to family, so he went to search diamonds. He went for the searching diamonds, but he traveled all over Africa, but he couldn't find any one, at least one diamond. One diamond. Okay. He looked all through Europe and couldn't find any. When he got to Spain, he was emotionally, physically, and financially broke. So he searched for diamonds even in the Europe continent also. But in that place also he didn't find any diamonds. And now he reached Spain. So after he reached Spain, he was emotionally, mentally, and financially broke. So he lost his complete confidence about himself. So he tried everywhere to find diamonds, but he couldn't find any diamond. Because of that, he physically, mentally disturbed a lot himself. Okay. He got so disheartened that he threw himself into a Barcelona river and committed suicide. Oh my God! It is. So basically, what he's thinking about himself right now, he wants to suicide himself in a Barcelona river, which is located in Spain. Because after reaching Spain, he observed himself, he doesn't have much money, and also he is mentally, physically disturbed, and he traveled all over Africa and Europe, but he did not find any diamonds. So because of all these actions and activities, he decided he wants to suicide in a Barcelona river, which is located in Spain. See. So basically, beginning of the story, he was very happy because he was content. Because he was content, he was happy. So if he continue his life with the base of that farm, he will be very happy. But he listened that wise man words, and he decided to find diamonds. So that is not easy task to find diamonds easily. So that is not possible. But that thing that farmer did not notice. That's why the situation came to suicide himself in a Barcelona river, which is located in Spain. Okay. So now what will happen? So after he decided to suicide himself, so let us see here. Back home, but unfortunately he did not suicide himself because what thoughts made him to stop suicide himself. But he back home. So after his long journey to find diamonds, he back to home, but he did not find any diamond. So he did not return his home with any diamond. The person who had brought his farm was watering the camels at a stream that ran through the farm. But unfortunately, he back to home and he went to his farm. But at that time, what the person who bought his farm from him, he's watering the camels at the stream that ran through the farm. Actually, there was a farm, but just beside the farm there was a canal. At that spot, the buyer of farm watering the camels in that stream, in that stream. Okay, across stream there is of the morning sun hit a stones and made it sparkle like a rainbow. So at that time the sun rays are entering into the water, and something in the water are sparkling like a rainbow, So what are that? Definitely they are pebbles maybe. Okay, let us see. He thought it would look good on the mantelpiece. He picked up the stone and put it in the living room. So he thought, oh my god, it seems so beautiful. That's why the buyer took one of the stone in the stream and he put it into the living room. So what will happen then? Let us see here. Okay. Next. That afternoon, the wise man came and saw the stone sparkling. So unfortunately, the first wise man who told the glory of diamond to the farmer, first farmer, I am talking about first farmer. So that same person, that same wise man came once again to that farm. But this time, the farm is not belongs to the first farmer. So the farm belongs to the second farmer now. Okay, because he is the buyer. He bought the farm from him. So he came to that farm and he observed that sparkling stone, and then the wise man asked like this, is Hafiz back? So he is Hafiz. So who is Hafiz? Hafiz is the first farmer. So definitely we can guess. So is Hafiz back? Did Hafiz back to home? So the wise man asked the new owner, and then the new owner said no. So the Hafiz did not come back. So responded the new owner of that farm to the wise man. Why do you ask? The wise man said. So then immediately the new owner, why do you ask about him now, wise man? So the present owner asked to the wise man. Now the wise man said, because that is a diamond. I recognize one when I see one. So basically, I observed a diamond in the living room. That's why I am asking, because I said to the farmer, I said to the Hafiz about the glory of diamonds. That's why when I watched that, I thought and I realized myself, Hafiz is back to home. That's why I asked you, the new owner, don't mind anything. So the wise man said his view to the second owner like that. Okay? The man said, no, that's just a stone. No, wise man, you are mistaken. So I think you are thinking wrong about that stone. That is not a diamond. That's only a stone. So who is telling all this to whom? The second owner. The second owner expressing his view to the wise man. So this is the conversation which right now happening between new owner and the wise man. So no, that's just a stone. I picked it up from the stream. So I just picked up that from the stream in this morning when I was watering to the camels. So come, I shall show you. So if you don't believe me, just come with me. I will show more stones in the stream. So then immediately they both went to the stream again. There were many more. So after they reached, they looked into the water in the stream. They found they observed many more stones in the water. They went and picked some samples and sent them for analysis. So immediately both what they have done. So they picked up some of the stones from the stream and they sent the stones to the analyzation for the experiment. So after analyzation, sure enough, the stones were diamonds. So the examiners, so the scientists, what they found about the stones after they examined, they were not only stones, they were diamonds. They found that the farm was indeed covered with acres and acres of diamonds. So finally they realized, oh my god, they are not stones. The second farmer is expressing about his view now. So he's thinking about himself. So oh my god, these are not stones, these are diamonds. Oh my god, this land is acres of acres. I think number of other diamonds in the farm. So students, what we have to understand through this lesson, luck is not away from us. Luck always in ourselves. Our fortune is always in ourselves. So we have to believe what is that our fortune is our hard work. So if we do hard work with a great determination, we can do anything. So God will give us the best fruit at the best times. So we should wait for that only, but should not go to find our forgiveness. It is not good for us. So as a student, what is your responsibility? You have to take good studies, and you have to take responsibility in your studies, and you have to make, and you see growth yourself in the education. That is your diamond. So what is my diamond? I have to do my work properly, and I will teach you. So if I do everything properly to myself, that is my diamond. So God always with us, everyone. So we have to believe in Him, and we should work with the heart and determination, with the discipline. So then only we can get best fruits from the God. There is no other doubts. So because through this lesson we realized about that, because that first farmer Hafiz went for searching diamonds, but he left his farm and he sold his farm to the second farmer. So that's why he struggled, and he faced a number of difficulties to find diamonds. But at last, finally, he did not find at least one diamond in his life, and he returned back. In some situation, he wanted to suicide himself in a Barcelona river, which is located in Spain. So that is the situation. So God always observing everything. So who are working hardly and who are working honestly, definitely God will give them such a wonderful fruits. Fruit means luck, development, growth, identity, honor, respect. So everything He will give us. So I hope you can definitely know that. So it's all about our diamond is our attitude. So it's all depend upon our attitude. So if you have a good attitude, definitely we can get a number of diamonds like that. So what is our diamond? If we get a job and we become a well-settled person, that is our diamond. There is no more doubt about that. Okay. So I hope you are believing all this, and I hope you from onwards you can definitely maintain a good attitude in yourself, and that definitely helps you great, and it makes you to reach your high in your life, and it will help to make your dreams possible in your life also. So that's how I would like to tell you all everything about our attitude. So maintain good attitude. Definitely respect elders and respect your teachers, respect your parents, and listen elders' words. So these all are your attitude. So if you reject any elders' words, definitely they will think about you are a not good attitude person. So because of that, you will get negative attitude character. So that never good for you. So please hope you understand, and we'll meet again in our next video with the next level. Until then, everyone, keep smiling and keep learning. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you, students.